Follow the dent.
You hear that? You hear that, YouTube? You hear that, gang? Follow the dent. Nice. So it's flopping in, but as you keep the next pull, it comes out more.
Yeah, you work out the metal little by little because it stretches out when it does.
Yes.
So you have to kind of like massage it out.
Stretch it back out.
Yeah, stretch it back out, and then we have the heat tip that we can shrink the metal in, so it'll kill the soda can effect.
Got it. All right. Viewers, we'll come back and you'll see the next stage will be the wonderful stuff we call body filler, which every body shop in the world uses. It's also known as Bondo. So I don't want to hear nothing. We don't want to hear nothing about we don't use Bondo, blah 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 blah.
Everybody uses it.
It's called Bondo. It's body filler, putty, all the same crap.
Yep. It's like plaster on a sheetrock wall.
There you go. And guess what? Every building in America and everywhere else is made with the same stuff.
It's really easy to perform. Nothing out of this world. If you could change the tire, you can fix it.
There you go. A nutless monkey.
So she says.
See that soda can effect? See that? See how it gets back in? Now.
So you take a hammer, and there's this thing called a crown where it bends. So you take a hammer as you're pulling it out, and you start tapping that lightly.
So it stays out.
Yeah. So that'll kill the
smoke effect. It'll kill that. What's happening now?
Kill the soda.
See that? We're gonna stop that, viewers. See that? Perfect example of what we're talking about.
It's still low here.
Yes.
All right. We'll show you it there.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Please come back.